Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 9 Economics Chapter 3 Poverty as a Challenge. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Overview. This comprises 5 questions. Question 1. One of the most difficult challenges faced by independent India is dash. The options are space travel, the rich, nuclear fusion, poverty. Your time to choose. And the answer is poverty. So, one of the most difficult challenges faced by independent India is poverty. Question 2. Poverty is a dash problem. The options are complicated, multidimensional, man-made, multitasking. Your time to choose. And the answer is multidimensional. So, poverty is a multidimensional problem. Question 3. Poverty trends in India and the world can be illustrated through the concept of the dash. The options are poverty line, money line, income line, inflation level. Your time to choose. And the answer is poverty line. So, poverty trends in India and the world can be illustrated through the concept of the poverty line. Question 4. The Government of India has taken several dash measures to combat poverty. The options are anti-inflation, anti-poverty, agricultural, industrial. Your time to choose. And the answer is anti-poverty. So, the Government of India has taken several anti-poverty measures to combat poverty. Question 5, last question. The official concept of poverty can be broadened into the concept of dash. The options are riches, deflation, human poverty, employment. Your time to choose. And the answer is human poverty. So, the official concept of poverty can be broadened into the concept of human poverty. Okay, so in this video, we learnt every point in the section Overview. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Introduction. I'll see you there.